Welcome, guys. So let us look at this GCE paper for 2022. All right, how do we evaluate this question? So you know that on this part, we are supposed to expand this 5. All right, so it is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. All right, then we bring this multiplication here. Okay, multiplied by, so this is there. On this side, what are we going to have? This side, we are going to have 1 over 5 multiplied by 5. This is what we are going to have this side. All right. So it depends on how you want to do it. Really, if you want at this point, you can simplify it. Or if you want, you can have, this is going to give us 125 multiplied by 1 over 25. All right. So now at this point, we can say 25 here, it's 1. 25 into 125 is 5. When 5 multiplied by 1, it is going to be 5. You write your 5 here as the answer. I hope that is okay. Okay. How do we expand and simplify this question? So we start with 2a. 2a we multiply it by 3a minus 4. Then we get plus 3 and also multiply it by 3a minus 4. So this is going to give us 6a squared minus 8a plus 9a here minus 12. All right. Then we go down and say 6a squared. Then we simplify these like terms together. What are we going to get? We'll get plus a minus 12. This is what is going to be our answer. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Then here we have an equation. We first of all have to write this as the 4x squared minus 9x is equals to 0. At this point, we can factorize x. Then we have 4x minus 9 is equals to 0. Then we equate each of these factors to 0. So we're going to have x is equals to 0, or 4x minus 9 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0, or then when you work out this one, what is it going to be? It will be 4x is equals to 9. Then you have x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 9 over 4 is equals to 2, 1 over 4 here. All right, so you have got this value or this value. Mathematics is a very, very simple subject that you must be enjoying. That you should be enjoying to work with. Okay, so we have come up with a timetable. We want to be offering online lessons. Online lessons, we are going to put them in such a way that we are going to be offering them from 20 hours, all right? 20 hours up to 21:30, because most of the people that are writing GCE exams are those that are working. Their mothers, their fathers, so they can't be available for lessons during the day. So please, these are the options that you can go for. We only teach mathematics only, okay? So if you want to be in a group where you're going to be paying 300 kwacha, you are going to be 30 of you in that group. Of course, we are registering now. We don't know if the number will be, you may even be less than 30. Okay, so this one, we meet 20 hours up to 21:30. We're going to choose which days. So it will be maybe 3 or 4 days in a week, most likely 3. It will depend, and we're going to agree. Then we're going to have another group of only 10 people. This one, we can't go beyond 10. Okay, those that may want maybe more attention, they have to be in a group of 10. And in this group of 10 people, you are going to pay 500 kwacha per month, and you will be meeting who agree. It could be 4 or 5 contacts in a week, 4 or 5 contacts in a week, intensive, such that you have no reason to fail. So this is the number for Mr. Piri. Okay, and this is also my number, so you can get in touch with us on these numbers for more information, or maybe if you have got any suggestion, any contribution, that it's very much welcome. These lessons are meant for you, so please make sure you come forward. We do it together. All right. Thank you very much. The lessons are purely online. It doesn't matter whether you're in Kenya, you're going to come and write your exams from here, like we had some students last year. That is fine, provided you're writing your GCE exams. All right. Thank you so much for this. And please, we're waiting for your calls.